Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will solve some problems based on ellipse. So let us start first with the last question. Find the equation of an ellipse whose eccentricity is 2/3. The latest rectum is 5 and the origin at center is at the origin. Now here eccentricity is given and latest rectum is given. We know that latest rectum of an ellipse is given by twice b square upon a. It is given second 5 units. This implies that twice b square equal to 5a. This implies that twice a square minus c square is equal to 5a. Since b square is equal to a square minus c square. This implies that twice we take a square outside, 1 minus c square upon a square equal to 5a. This implies that twice a 1 minus c upon a whole square equal to 5. This implies that twice a 1 minus c upon a, here given eccentricity is equal to e c upon a. Here it is given 2/3. So this is given 2/3 whole square into 5. This like that twice a 1 minus 9 is equal to 5. This by that twice a into 9 minus 4 upon 9 is like that twice a into 5 upon 9 root 5. So 5 and 5 gets cancelled. This implies that a is equal to 9 upon 2. Now again putting the value of a here, root 2b square upon a is equal to 5. 2b square equal to 5a is equal to 5 into 9 upon 2. So this is equal to 45 upon 2. This implies that b square is equal to 45 upon 4. Now here a square is equal to 81 upon 4. So we know the value of a square and b square. Now we know that if the denominator of coefficient of x square is larger, then we know that if the denominator of coefficient of x square is larger, then the ellipse is horizontal type. Therefore, equation of the ellipse is given by x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. This that here x square, a square is 81 upon 4. So it will become 4 upon 81 plus y square upon b square is 45 upon 4. So it will become 4 upon 45 equal to 1. So this is the required equation of the ellipse. Now let us solve the next problem. Next problem is find the eccentricity of an ellipse. Latest rectum is 1/2 of its major axis. Now, we know that the length of the latest rectum is given by twice b square upon a. And major axis is equal to twice a. Now according to question, latest rectum is 1/2 of the major axis. Since latest rectum is 1/2 of the major axis. Therefore, twice b square upon a is equal to 1/2 of major axis. This implies that twice b square equal to a square. This implies that twice a square minus c square equal to a square. Since b square is equal to a square minus c square. This implies that twice a square 1 minus c square upon a square equal to a square. This implies that one minus c upon a whole square is equal to 1 upon 2. That c upon a square is equal to 1 minus half, that is equal to 1 upon 2. C upon a is eccentricity. A square is equal to 1 upon 2. Where A is the eccentricity, upon A. This implies that E is equal to 1 upon root 2. Hence, eccentricity is equal to 1 upon root 2. Now, we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.